Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. In this episode, I want to talk about Rxjs, previous and current value in a stream. It's something that I encountered this week, and it's worthy to share it with you guys. First and for all, we have an index.js right here. And then I did a require Rxjs and a require for the operators. I'm going to use the start with operator because that's important to do so. And then we have an off where we have some values, and then of course we're going to start with 0. And then, for example, we're just going to subscribe and we're going to say what our value is, and then we're going to do a console.log with our value, right? So if I do so, and I do no dot, you'll see that we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we started with the 0 object, right? So what I want to do here is I want to create cool objects. First of all, I'm going to create here an object called type or we're going to create objects like animals. Animal name called cats, and then we will have some other animals, right? So the second can be also a cat, and another one can be a dog, and then here we can start with NL, for example. Doesn't matter that much. Then if you do no dot, you'll see that we start with NL, and then you'll see that we have cat, and dog, right? But okay, now I want to just check if the current value is the same as the previous value. So what we need to do is we need to use the option pairwise. And here with the operators, I'm gonna add pairwise. Right. So that's that. So the next thing that we could do is just use a map. It's also something that I did. And then we could very easily do something like this, right? We can say, okay, we have previous value, we have current value, so our previous and our current value. Then we say, okay, previous and prev.animal equals current.animal, right? So that's quite important because then we do this. Of course, I need to save it. Sorry. And then you'll see that we have NL because of course our first value is NL. And we could also say here this not NL. So if I save this right here and execute it, you'll see that we get false, true, false. So now we get only these kind of values, right? And if you say, okay, I only want to execute this subscribe when the two values are the same or not the same, then when the two values, previous and current, are not the same, when they are false, when you have two different values, you want to subscribe to that. Well, you can very easily do that by just adding a filter, right? I'm just gonna, because that makes it a little bit easier to read, right? And then we are going to add here a filter. And these are very powerful things to use in your application when you're using Rxjs. So these things are something that I really like, right? Because now you only have the true, and now you know, okay, it's true, my current and my previous values are the same. If you say, okay, I only want when they are different, then you can do that, right? So you can very easily play with it, right? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. The start with and then pairwise is very nice to get the previous and current value of something within Rxjs and your stream. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!